Grandma? What are you doing?
Well, Marceline, I'm making something special for later on.
What's later?
Well, there's some people coming over, and you can't have a party without the punch.
Can I help?
Maybe when you're older.
Grandma?
Yes, sweetie.
What's this?
Oh, that? Well, that is my special punch mix, and I only use it for special occasions.
Then why don't you use it? Oh, can I try it?
It's cherry.
Ew, never mind. Couldn't you get grape?
All these questions, aren't you the little detective? Now, don't worry. You will be tasting it soon enough.
You're Marceline, right?
Yeah.
Claire always had so much to say about you. I'm so sorry for your loss.
She's having a hard time adjusting.
Oh, sweetie, you'll get past it just like the rest of us.
How did you do that?
Oh, I just try to remember all the little things I loved about your grandmother. Like how great she was at painting. Your grandmother was very artistic.
My favorite thing about Claire was definitely all her little quirks. She collected the oddest things.
She loved gardening. She had such a green thumb. I think she was out back just about every day, trying to get her hands dirty.
Grandma was always so devout.
Wee! Wee! Woo! 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 Wee! Wee! Woo!
But most of all, your grandmother knew how to throw a party.
Hey, your grandma was all that, but there's more. There's more to her than what you think. Don't listen to them. Don't do what they tell you. I don't want to.
Dispatch to any available detective unit, code 16 at 1900 Dean Road.
Detective Jordan Hillerman on scene.
So you didn't drink it. Why not?
'Cause I don't like cherry.
That you stay until I run away, hating all the words that you say. Like a lonely